The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released data from a study showing the effectiveness of mRNA COVID-19 vaccines waned over the course of several months. Now, the study focused on adults that were either hospitalized or visited ERs and urgent cares.
News 19's Kelly Smith spoke with the Alabama Department of Public Health about the study and what it could mean for the future.
A recent study from the CDC reviewed data from multiple states from August 2021 to January 2022. The vaccine efficacy rates were higher during the Delta wave than the Omicron surge. At ERs and urgent cares, vaccine effectiveness was 92% for people who had their booster shots less than 2 months prior. It decreased to 75% after 4 months. When it came to hospitalizations, vaccine effectiveness for patients receiving a booster within 2 months of their admission was 95%. It decreased to 81% after 4 months.
I think it's not surprising.
Dr. Wes Stubblefield with the Alabama Department of Public Health says the CDC recommended boosters to combat a decline in COVID-19 antibodies. For Alabamians, where the vaccination rate is not as high as other states, Stubblefield says the vaccine becoming less effective over time does cause some concern.
There's waning effectiveness of a vaccine in a substantial part of the population that's not vaccinated. Then you've got more pool of infectivity out there, so that if something did come along, another variant, something more severe, then there would be potentially more people to be infected and potentially with bad outcomes.
Stubblefield can't say if there will be a recommendation for more doses in the future.
Again, we're trying to change our strategy in talking about being vaccinated from fully vaccinated to being up to date. And being up to date means that you have gotten everything you could possibly get for your age and situation, which in those are different.
He urged people to get vaccinated, pointing to data that shows people who are vaccinated tend to suffer less severe disease. Kelly Smith, News 19.
And last week, the CDC updated some of its guidance for booster shots for those who are immunocompromised, including shortening the time frame between the completion of the vaccine series and when to get a booster shot. We'll have a link to all that information in this story on WHNT.com.